In this video tutorial, we're going to create this easy and cheap Halloween sugar skull garland. For this, we'll print out two versions. One in black and white, so we can color it ourselves, and another one that's already in full color. Let's start with the black and white one. We can paint it with watercolors, markers, colored pencils, acrylic markers like posca, my personal favorite, or even regular acrylics. You can also use a pen, fine liner, or just shade with graphite pencils or gray markers. Pastels or chalk could work too, although honestly, I don't recommend them. They're messy and smudge easily. And here's what each technique looks like once finished. The idea is to just pick whichever style you like best. After coloring the skulls, we cut them out, leaving about a 3mm border. And then paint that border with bright colors to really make the skull pop. We do the same with the pre-colored skulls too. Once that's done, we tape the skulls to a thin string to create a garland. You can hang it across a door or on the wall, something like this. But if you really want them to shine, tape them directly onto a string of fairy lights, like the ones you use for your Christmas tree. And there you go. The result is super festive and looks amazing. What I love about this decoration is that it's quick, easy, and very affordable. By the way, there's a link in the description where you can make 6 easy and cheap Halloween crafts, including this Halloween paper toy garland, this glowing Halloween photo frame lamp, sugar skull garlands, a creepy head in a jar, and this spooky Halloween lantern. Happy Halloween!